Hey students, in this video I am going to discuss the complete question of profit and loss account, P&L appropriation account plus capital account. So we are going to discuss example number 20 from DK Goel. What is the statement? Rahim and Sudesh, the two partners of the business firm, agreed to appropriate the profits of their firm on the following terms. The first is interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. All of us just read the last line, which accounts you have to prepare. So all of us just prepare the format of all those accounts so that as you read the statement, simultaneously you just post that item. So in last line, it said in question that the net profit of the year is 1,75,500. From the above information, prepare P&L appropriation account, partners capital account and rent payable account. So we have to prepare 3 accounts, but keep it in mind whether P&L account is not said in question, but if you have 3 items, first manager commission, second interest on loan to partner and third rent paid to any partner. If any of these items is given in question, then you must have to prepare P&L account first. So we will read the statement. Interest, so we just make a format of profit and loss account, P&L appropriation account and after then partners capital account and at last I will also prepare rent payable account. So first item is interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. Still we don't know the capital, so we will discuss it later. Next, Rahim will be entitled to a salary of 500 per month. As I told you, partner salary will be transferred in P&L appropriation account. So in P&L appropriation account, we just post salary to Rahim 500 per month. 500 per month means 500 multiplied by 12, that is equal to 6,000. After then, loan advanced by a partner to the firm. Loan is given by the partner. So carry interest 10% per annum. He charge interest from the business 10% per annum. So interest on loan, how much loan is given? At present it's not given, so we will write this point later on. Next we have interest on drawings at the rate of 5%. 5% we just mentioned. After then, Sudesh will get the commission at the rate of 1% on the sales made. So commission is also transferred on P&L appropriation. 1% is there, that means 1 by 100. You can write only 1 by 100. After that, Rahim is entitled to a rent of 25,000 per annum. As I told you, 3 items, manager commission, rent and interest on loan. These 3 items will transfer in P&L account. So rent is there, rent given to Rahim. So in P&L account debit side, we will write rent to Rahim 25,000. After that, we have the net profit of the business 1,75,500. So net profit are 1,75,500. Following items are given. Capitals are 1,50,000 and 140. So all of us we will calculate interest on capital. 150 and 140. Interest rate is 5%. That means 7,500 and 7,000. These two interests will be also be transferred into capital account. Simultaneously, you just post all the adjustment so that there is saving of time. So capitals are there, so these balances of capital should be transferred in capital account 150 and 140. After that, interest on capital is also posted on these sides. Next we have loan advance to the firm on 1st October 2018. Keep it in mind that date is given. So interest should be calculated according to time period. Loan is of 1 lakh. So how much is the calculation of interest on loan? 1 lakh Interest rate is 10%. First October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. Years end after 6 months. So 6 months. 1 lakh, 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. For 6 months it will be 5,000. After then, drawings made. Drawings means decrease in capital. So debit side of capital account 40,000, 30,000. Simultaneously we will calculate it interest on drawings. 40,000 5%. As I told you, the time or date is not given, so interest on drawing will be calculated for 6 months. This is the most important point. Don't forget it. Interest on drawing is always charged for 6 months whenever time period is not given. So 40,000 5% for 6 months, 30,000 5% for 6 months, 1,000 and 750 means 1750. It should also be written here. As I told you, there is a cross rule. All items of this excluding P&L. Interest on drawing will be transferred here and all these items will be transferred on this side. Then we have loan taken from the firm. Rahim also take loan from the firm. So firm will charge interest on loan. Keep it in mind, if loan given by partner, then it is a loss for the business, and if loan taken by the partner, then interest on loan is profit for the business. So interest on loan, both points are discussed in this example. That's why I just choose this example so that each and every concept should be clear to you. So interest on loan is 50,000, 12% for 1st July to 31st March. July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March means for 9 months. 12% of 50,000 is 6,000 and for 9 months it will be 4,500. Next we have, during the year 2018-19 sales are 7 lakh. Partner is entitled to commission on sales. So 7 lakh, 1% of 7 lakh is 7,000. Commission received by Sudesh. So we just calculate this. Salary also, interest on capital also, interest on drawing is clear. So balance of profit and loss account. 1,80,000 minus these two items. Profit transfer to P&L appropriation account. 1,50,000 will be transferred here. Then 150 plus interest on drawings minus these three items. Interest on capital, salary and commission. Then we have profit transfer to Rahim and Sudesh capital account. As profit sharing ratio is not given, so it is just predicted that the ratio is 1:1. If any ratio is not given, then it is always equal. So it should be divided in 1:1 means 1 to 4, 250 multiply 1/2 and 1/2. After then this profit also transferred to this side. Interest on capital, salary, commission and P&L appropriation. Salary to Rahim only, commission to Sudesh only. And then drawings here, interest on drawing. And don't forget, interest on Rahim loan will also posted in capital. This is the most important point. Because just because of this interest, capital of Rahim will decrease. Capital of Rahim will decrease. So now some student can also told that from this interest the Sudesh capital should be increased, but not. This interest will be transferred in partner's loan account. If any loan given by a partner, then firms make a separate account, partner's loan account, and interest on partner's loan will be transferred in that account, not in capital. Only the interest on loan received by the firm will be transferred in capital. Next, we have question is completed. We have balance carried down 180, 125 and this. One more thing is here. We also have to prepare rent payable account. We also have to prepare rent payable account. How it is prepared? It's quite simple. Just an account of single line. Rent payable account means buy rent account How much rent is given to him? 25,000, and it should be transferred as to balance carried out. Because this rent is still not giving in cash, so it is a liability. And if balance sheet is to be prepared, then it will be transferred on liability side. I hope it is clear. Thank you.